Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're going to explore the loft function. So let's begin. Here is the loft, click on it, and now we will select two sketches. And it will create a solid body between the two sketches. So here is the loft. And we can of course use it for new add, remove, insert. Now, there's something interesting. There is a path option. So if we want to, we can create the path on how we want this to move. So let's click cancel. And in this plane, draw a sketch with a curved line that goes from the center of the plane to the center of the plane. Here we go, click escape. So now we have our two planes in the path. So let's click loft again. Select this plane, but so it doesn't hide, we will select the path. And now we will select the second face. Here we go.